Looking to get into wood turning or upgrade your lathe? Today we're breaking down 5 popular wood lathes from entry-level minis to full professional machines, ranked from weakest to best. Let's kick things off with the most entry-level model on our list, the FesmTek4. This is the most basic mini wood lathe in our lineup, and while it's lightweight and compact, it's definitely best suited for beginners doing very small-scale work like pen turning or tiny trinkets. The FesmTek4 does offer a surprisingly wide speed range and features a clean integrated control box and even a little dust barrier, which is a nice touch for such a tiny tool. It's ideal for casual crafting or someone just trying to get their hands dirty with wood turning without a big investment. The compact size makes it great for cramped spaces too, but it does come with its downsides. The specs are a bit vague, especially when it comes to things like swing capacity and exact weight. Some listings say 2 pounds, others say closer to 6, and while the speed range is decent, it doesn't offer much in terms of stability or power compared to even mid-tier models. If you're just experimenting with turning and don't need a lot of power or features, the FesmTek4 could be a fine starter. Otherwise, let's step things up to the next level. By the way, links to all the products featured in this review are down in the description so you can check them out at the best prices available. Next up, we have the ArtyMaster Mini Wood Lathe, another small benchtop unit, but definitely a step above the FesmTek4 in both build and precision. This one is perfect for hobbyists who want a little more control and quality right out of the box. It comes with a full accessory kit, including turning tools, a mini chuck, and precise centering aids. The motor is small, but packs enough torque for soft and hard woods, and the speed is smoothly variable so you can dial in exactly what you need for delicate tasks. Compared to the FesmTek4, it feels more solid, more complete, and more thought through. Of course, it's still a mini lathe, which means your project size is limited, only about 3 inches in diameter and 8 inches long. It also comes at a higher price point than most beginner tools, which could be a drawback if you're just testing the waters. This one's for hobbyists who already know they enjoy turning and want a mini lathe that won't frustrate them with limitations. If you like this kind of deep dive into tools, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now we're stepping into serious territory with the CXRCY 12 by 18 inch wood lathe. This isn't just a bigger lathe, it's a full-featured benchtop machine for intermediate wood turners who need real power and stability. It offers a very generous 12-inch swing and 18 inches between centers, so bowls and longer spindles are totally in reach. The cast iron build keeps vibration to a minimum, and the digital RPM display gives you that precise speed readout for consistent results. It's a massive upgrade over both the FesmTek4 and the Arty Master in just about every way. That said, it's not the most portable. At nearly 76 pounds, you'll want to find it a permanent spot in your shop. And while it's capable, it's still benchtop sized, so turning really large pieces will still be limited. If you're upgrading from a beginner lathe and want something built to last, this one gives you a whole lot of machine for the price. Next up is one of the most popular mid-range lathes on the market, the Jet1 221VS, and it earns that reputation with a rock-solid build, smart features, and great versatility for both beginners and experienced turners alike. Unlike many others, the Jet gives you 3 torque-optimized speed ranges for dialing in the perfect cut, whether you're roughing out blanks or fine-tuning finish work. The digital speed readout, /reverse switch, and tool rack make this lathe incredibly user-friendly. It's heavier than most benchtop options, but that weight translates to real stability. Now it's not perfect. The reverse switch has tripped up some users due to its design, and the tool rack placement could block access to the pulleys. But these are pretty minor quirks when you consider everything else it does right. For anyone looking for a versatile, reliable, and well-supported lathe that'll keep up with your growing skills, this is a fantastic pick. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the heavy-duty beast, Powermatic 3520C. This isn't just the best on the list, it's one of the best wood lathes on the market, period. This machine has a massive 2 horsepower motor and can turn anything from delicate spindles to huge bowl blanks thanks to its 20-inch swing and up to 56 inches between centers with the extension. It's built like a tank with features like a digital RPM display, 48 position indexing, riser blocks, and one of the smoothest operating experiences you can find. Of course, you're going to pay for all that power and quality. It weighs over 700 pounds and runs on 220 volts, so it's not plug and play for everyone. It's also one of the most expensive lathes you can buy. But if you're a professional or a serious enthusiast who wants a lifetime lathe that can handle anything, this is the one. All the top-rated lathes featured today are linked down in the description. Go check out the best deals available. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this one.